Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Caper. So something very different today. One thing I absolutely love is surprises. In some ways I like surprises, but this is the best kind of surprise. And this is actually a mystery box, okay? So I love opening mystery boxes. I like not knowing what's inside it and what I'm going to get. Now, I reached out to mycollectables.com.au and I asked Greg whether or not he would mind putting together a mystery box for me. And this is what he has come up with. So I have no idea what's inside this box. He has sent it to me, and it's going to be a bit of a surprise for each of us to see exactly what My Collectables have put together for us. So I'll get this open. I'm literally opening up for the first time right now, and we will soon see exactly what's in here. I'm using my wife's kitchen knife, so hopefully she doesn't watch this video. Alright, well, I don't want to look at what's on this list because that'll tell us what's in the box. This is if you've received goods from My Collectables, they are always packaged up really well. And there's always some sort of chocolate or something like that. In this case, I've got a Tim Tam, which is great. Absolutely love those. And everything's just packaged up really well. I actually find them these guys package up stuff better than the Mint by far. Okay, so let's just see what we've got. You can see the lengths that they go to for packaging. They've packed it up beautifully. Alright, so it looks like there's a number of packages in here. So what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to get these out, and I think we'll set up a little bit differently so I can show you exactly what's in this box. Alright, so let's I'll set up a little bit differently, and we'll open up these packets. Alright guys, got the first packet in front of us here, and as I said, really well packaged up. Alright, absolutely perfectly packaged up. Let's just cut this across here. Now I want to try and grab stuff out without actually seeing exactly what's in there. So try and see if I can do that. Let's see. Oh, looks like everything's really well packaged up. Because maybe I can't even see. This is great. Alright, this is even better. Alright, so I've grabbed an item out here. Let's see what is in here. Ooh, what is this? I have not seen this before. Okay, so this is a 1 ounce silver coin. It's a 2021. Alright, let's open it up a bit further. Alright, here it is guys. Which way is the right way up? Hopefully you can see that there. I have not seen this before. Okay. So it's a $5. Let's try and zoom in a bit. I can't even read it. So Terra 2021. $5. Elizabeth II. And that just talks about the longitude and latitude. So that's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Love the detail on that one. So that's our first coin. That is absolutely awesome. Alright, we've got something else in here. Oh, we've got a few items in here. So we've got one of the Brave Firefighters $2 coins in the card, which I actually don't have one of these. I went and bought some of the Sea Mint marked, but I never bought any of these, just the carded ones, so that's great. So that's our second item we've got here. That's another one of the Firefighters coins. There it is there. So this is from a mint roll. But just look at the way they've packaged it up. I just cannot get over just how well they do this. Oh, we got one of these. All right, awesome. So this is the brand new $2 coin, and this is the Aboriginal Services coin. There it is, the Indigenous Services coin from a mint roll. We'll have a closer look at that in another video. So that is great start, absolutely. All right, we're going to grab another one out. This might be a long video, guys. All right, we've got another packet here. What have we got? I think I recognize this one. All right. So we've got one of the T20 $2 coins. I won't go and open it right up. And we've also got one of the Wallaby $2 coins. I'm sure you guys are familiar with these two coins. They're another great item to add to the collection. Alright, we've got more to go. Let's grab another packet out of here. So I have no idea on the value of what I'm unpacking. What do we got? All right. Oh, I don't have one of these. This is the 2021 lunar year of the ox. I don't think I can. It's a 50-cent coin. Let's get into it. Alright, let's have a closer look at this one. There it is there. So another nice coin to add to the collection. I actually haven't got one of these. It's not one of the sort of series that I usually go ahead and grab each year. But maybe I'll start a new collection of a year of whatever year it is next year. We've got another one of these Paralympic coins. So it's a coloured $1 coin, sorry. And these are dated 2020 because that's when the Olympics were meant to be held. And there is the not the regular Olympics and the Paralympic version. And oh, we got another. Okay, so we got more of the Lunar series here. So this is. Let's see if we can hold it back far enough for you guys to see. Another one of the year of the ox, but it's a two $1 coins in there. Bring it up a bit closer. So another couple of coins that I don't have. So this is going really great. All right. I love the surprises. All right, looks like we've got another packet in here. Let's get rid of this packaging. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, looks like some PNCs. All right, let's bring all this over because we've got plenty of goodies. All right, now, oh. Alright, there we have the Marbo PNC. So that's from 2017. You've certainly seen the Marbo coin, and I'm pretty sure you've seen this on my channel as well. So there it is there. Oh, we got a Vegemite. Okay, there's the Vegemite A to Z coin collection. I love this PNC. We got the Neighbours one. Another good addition. And there's another coin another PNC I don't have, which is Bananas in Pajamas. And I've never really looked at these before. So this will be a Perth Mint issue, I'm gathering. I would say so, based on the look of the coin. But absolutely beautiful. 2017 PNC, we've got. What is this? It's a 20-cent and a 5-cent coin. There we go. You can see the designs there. So that's pretty cool. I don't have that. So it's from 20th of June 2017. Very nice addition to the collection. Alright, we've got another packet to get through, guys. Let's bring that over here. Alright. Once again, really well packaged up. Now I must say, I have received coins from the mint, and say a carded coin like any of these sort of cards, and you'll get a heap of cards, but My Collectables go to the extra effort of actually putting them in these plastic slips that just protect everything even further. That's what just really impresses me. This feels like a bit of a bigger box or something going on here. Alright, let's get this out. Let's have a look at this one. Let's move this packaging away. Alright, what could this be? I have no idea. Ooh. What is this? So this is a... Wow, this is incredible. This is a C mint marked PCGS graded MS67 Firefighters coin from 2020. This is incredible. Oh, I cannot believe that I've got this in the collection. Absolutely. Oh, I am taken away. So this is great. This is yeah. This is far better than I ever expected to find in a mystery box. So thank you very much, Greg, for that. Alright, what have we got in here? I think this is our last item, guys. Hey, we got more of the Lunar series here. So this is from the Perth Mint. Alright, I love the Perth Mint stuff, and I don't have enough of it, but it's an area of collection I'm going to looking a lot more into. Alright, let's have a look at this. So this is Australian Lunar series. This is a 1/2 ounce silver proof coin. So just have a look at that for packaging. I'm not even sure how to get into this one. There we go. Alright, let's have a look. It's a magnetic lid. That's pretty cool. Alright, I understand what's going on here. Alright, so I'll pull this away. Oh, okay, a little booklet. Might have a look at that one later. What's going on here? Got this little cover over the top of it. That's nice. And there's the coin there. Alright, let's see if we can grab it out and have a look at it. Alright, so this is a 1/2 ounce year of the ox, so for 2021. Silver coin and 50 cent. Well, it's a round coin as well. But yeah, absolutely beautiful coin. And that mirror finish is just incredible. And the detail on that I absolutely love. So, and the packaging I haven't really had anything like it, the way that is done. So I am so happy with this mystery box. Absolutely well beyond my expectations of what could be in this packaging. So I am blown away by these items, and I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. I hope you've had a good look at what I've found today, and if there's something you do like, it might be worth getting onto mycollectables.com.au and having a look around the website and seeing what they have to offer. Jump on their mailing list, and you'll soon be getting emails from these guys whenever something new comes about. Alright guys, that is it for today. I will be linking mycollectables.com.au in the description of this video, so head over there and take a look. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.